These are 21.
Wait,
we're looking for clown shoes.
we've done clown shoes before.
No,
These aren't clown shoes.
these are NBA basketball big time shoes.
There's an airplane.
Big shoes.
Big. Not just big, revolutionary size shoes. You've never seen shoes this big, I guarantee you. Unless you have, in that case, seen shoes that big, then those are small. They're decent size, but they're kind of small.
These are 21.
Wait,
Those Air Maxes don't boy. My foot is swimming in there. I can probably fit my shoe in there.
alright, I'm sold. I'm sold. You got me. You got me.
They're $15.
Are you serious?
I'm trying to find.
Yo, they're Uggs.
Oh, here's the other one. But okay, so the thing about Ross is you can look through all the shoes and you don't see anything, but you have to keep skimming multiple times because things start like loading. There's so many shoes they have to load. Wow.
Ross is the place, Gabe. Have you ever been in here?
Yeah, my mom used to come here all the time as I was a kid, and I hated every second of it.
I can't even look at them. They make me happy.
Alright, let's go. We gotta go to the next Ross.
No, it's not your size.
Yeah, I'm gonna wear them out.
No, it's not.
So I figured if I'm gonna be good at basketball, I gotta wear the shoes like the pros.
I told him he would grow into them.
Okay, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Receive.
Thank you.
Better have the receipt.
If you could fit your shoes on inside of them.
Yeah. Protect your
Shoe hacks.
shoe hacks.
You're right. I told you.
Yo, that's so comfortable.
The Braille drop with those probably have so much padding. It's an outer coating for your inner shoe.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, those are a little bit intimidating. Like if you run up to someone with those on, it's kind of scary. A man wearing shoes that big, you don't know what he's willing
What
to do.
he's up to.
Yeah.
What are you?
Yo, if I try to get into the airplane, that'd be so suspicious. Shaq wears a 32. That's like a banana foot.
This town ain't big enough for both of our shoes.
I still got along.
I came here to chew bubble gum and get giant shoes, and I'm all out of bubble gum.
Oh, there's a bunch.
Oh yeah.
Yo, the red versions of
Systems
mine.
go.
19.
The more you can find, the better.
Oh, these are 17.
What size are those?
17 and a half. Why are there half sizes?
Let's go buy these abnormally large shoes.
Why we have so many pairs?
Those are not 12.
What are these?
Oh my god.
I got my normal shoes in here.
Should I try to drive in them?
No, don't. You're gonna kill us.
I want to try it.
No,
but
no.
It'll work.
My shoe's still on
All right, well, let me put on the left one at least. Oh, dude, this is a comfortable fit.
Dude, I told you. I told you it's nice.
I ain't getting these off. My shoes are not coming out of this.
The baby blues. We got the dark blues. We got the reds. We got an extra pair of reds for Carlos.
I've never been so happy. It's like better than Disneyland.
Yours.
These are yours.
You give me the biggest size, I bet.
No, those
These are size 21.
21.
What are these, Shaq shoes?
These are 17 and a half. 19,
You
17.
guys look like Sideshow Bob, dude.
How's it going?
Pretty good, man.
Hey guys.
Hello. What y'all doing?
Oh my god. Oh my god. It took me like 5 minutes to realize that you're wearing those.
My shoes are inside.
We all have shoes on inside of these shoes.
I made the team.
Hey,
I made the team.
Carlos, put your shoes on.
Ready?
All right, guys, we are very excited because today we have the world's largest shoes game of skate. I don't know what Carlos is doing behind you, but you know what they say about a man with big shoes.
Small shoes inside.
Okay, so these are size. I don't see any size on there.
Right here.
Right there. Wow. Thank
they say
you.
about-
Size 21. So what was your idea with this? That I put my shoe inside this shoe?
Yes.
Why did we put the shoe inside? Why don't we just put the sock inside? Is it half your torso? Let's see.
Gosh, dude, look.
Oh my god.
It's from hip to boob. Yeah.
Carlos, how do you tie a knot so small?
Bro,
what kind of laces?
are you doing?
This is how they came. I haven't touched them.
Hey, yeah, when I came in here, I was playing ball with Jordan, and Jordan walked in, and he was in the gym, and I was like, hey, Jordan, pass me the rock. And he passed me the rock, and I was like, ooh, on you, Jordan. Swoosh, walked out the building, it was all fine.
Why do mine look bigger than everybody else's?
Why do mine look like clown shoes?
You are it.
Just wait until like after this game of skate and you take them off and then you feel like your legs are like super light and you can,
Like Chun-Li.
What the?
Rochambeau to see who goes first. We're playing flat?
Yep.
Wow.
Wow. Are you guys on the same wavelength right now?
Wow.
I'm just gonna get this out of the way because I think I can do it, and I don't know if I can kickflip.
He's been practicing over there, cheater.
At least you got really good ankle support.
Size 19, son.
They feel impossible to skate. I can barely ollie. Like, I don't know if I want to put my foot where my foot is, which is ends about right there, or where the shoe is. Oh! I had it. I swear I had it. How is Uzi all of a sudden so
because
good?
he has the advantage. His feet, he doesn't have shoes in there.
That's true.
I can't get it's too big. I can't get my foot like out of the way.
3 points! Swish! First try!
Wow. Defense.
Let's watch your boy get your kickflip. There's gonna be a lot of toe drag in this game.
Oh!
Like, I can land, but the shoe is so far off of the board every time. It's a new thing, it's called shoe bite. Finally, the champ has fallen.
How does that even work?
Ah! Dang mother! In my defense, I do have the biggest shoes.
S?
Oh!
I never got a chance on offense. Was I last?
Oh, I should have let it fly.
so
Look
weird.
like you're about to focus your board.
I know.
That was impressive.
That heel flick on that.
Oh! All you needed was a size 19.
Yeah, 17 and a half.
Wow, that was good. Steezy.
Oh no.
I had him on the ropes.
Hey, did you feel that?
No.
Good.
Don't feel anything.
Oh, hey. Wow. Oh, that's it. Oh, dang.
That's so much harder than these.
That's sick.
Oh my gosh, this is not easy.
I don't touch.
Got him.
Blunt finger flip. Look, you're so color coordinated.
And that's a wrap on the world's largest skate shoes ever. These size 21s sure got down. Leave it in the comment below. What was your favorite trick in this video? And definitely check out all of the other videos that we have made. They will be right on the side of this screen. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you learned to skateboard. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. Peace!